my goodness, I have a good feeling this talent show might be boring. Well, Toe, it's possibly this might be a good one. Yeah, right. A few minutes into the show, man, this talent show looks exactly garbage. Wait, I know exactly how the spice fins up. Wait a second, where is Toe going? I have a bad feeling about this. Attention to everyone in this school! This particular talent is lame, along with the entire talent show in general. Get out right now! I knew exactly he's gonna do that. It is so hilarious to see these people mad. Stop right there! It's principal's office for you. Uh-oh. You have got to be kidding with me, Toad. We cannot believe that you just said that during the talent show. Now because of you, the talent show has to be paused, all because of you.
That's it, you're grounded for 10 days. In the next event at the auditorium, a security guard will stand next to you to make sure you don't cause any trouble.
You will also be having detention for all of next week. You'll now be picked up early.
Get in the car right now, Toe. When we get home, you'll go straight to bed.
What in... Dad.
Hope he doesn't do this again.
We hope so as well, sis. Now that Toad is gone, we can now continue the talent show.